New at 11, or an OBGYN at Pinehurst has COVID-19. Dr. John Byron found out he was positive for coronavirus today after coming down with symptoms on Tuesday. He last had contact with patients on Friday. He thinks he was exposed to the virus on a recent trip to Germany.
Up until now, pregnant women have not been considered high risk for the coronavirus, but a new British study is challenging that idea. CBS 17's Amy Cutler getting answers for us live tonight. Amy.
Yeah, Angela, the state health director mentioning that finding, that study at a press conference today. That led to some confusion among local doctors who hadn't heard of it. Just another example of how the information surrounding this virus is changing so quickly.
I'm just trying to do the best I can to take care of myself and the baby.
Jessica McNulty is 7 months pregnant. The coronavirus has her working from home, avoiding groups, and washing her hands a lot.
I've gotten a lot of messages from friends and family, checking on me and sending me articles about, pregnancy being higher risk right now, and it's really overwhelming.
There's some new data that have pregnant women now in that high-risk category.
Dr. Elizabeth Tilson, the state health director and chief medical director, saying that change was based on a new study done in the UK.
Don't go out, making sure that you are doing the social distancing, washing your hands really well, all the same recommendations we're having for other people in the high risk.
It's a fluid situation, it's changing.
I went to Dr. Michael Smith, an OBGYN in Raleigh, for clarification. He was one of several doctors I spoke with who hadn't heard about the change. I reached out to the state, who said placing pregnant women in the high-risk category was done in conjunction with guidance from the CDC, that they had updated their language.
Either talk to someone like your healthcare provider or go to a more reputable website like CDC, who updates it many times during the course of the day.
It's definitely concerning anytime, put in that higher risk category, but I'm trying not to get too stressed out, so just trying to make sure I'm reading all the facts before I get too worried.
At this point, the recommendations seem to be changing by the day. Another important reminder to stay up to date on the latest information. Live in Raleigh, Amy Cutler, CBS 17 News.